Welcome back to my channel. The market performed exactly the way I predicted. So this area I had told that it might take a retracement till here and then you can short, but you can short in half quantity only because this area can act as support and resistance both, and it can go till here and then reverse completely, and exactly same happened. That's why I told you to take any entry trade here in half quantity only. So I'll now mark new support and resistances, and then okay, so new support and resistances have been marked. So what we have to do here is this: look for shorting opportunities for here. Let it take resistance from here. Okay, but there are very high chances that it might take support and make this type of pattern, or it can go like this and this. Okay, the high probability of it performing like this is very high, and the probability of it performing like this is less, but there are high chances that it will perform like this after it crosses this area. There are very high chances that it market may perform on the upside and then take resistance. Let me mark here: market may take resistance here after it goes or makes this type of pattern. Once it makes this type of pattern, then only we'll be able to decide, because this area is a support and a strong support. You can see in daily part also, this is a very strong support area. But once this crosses, this will once this area once it crosses this area, then we'll see a great downfall till here. But because of this choppiness, it might take support and give strong bounce, and up move from here to here and then bounce, move like this. It moves from here to upside and then completely downwards. Same volatility we can see, but there are very high chances only when it crosses this level, my marked level, which is of 146.108. Until and unless it crosses this level, we have to look for buying opportunities only, and take a shorting opportunity, but only in half quantity. Okay, same thing in Bitcoin too. The way I predicted it happened, but the only problem is it went only half. But the only problem is it only went halfway. See, I told here to look for buying opportunities here. Whoever has taken trade here might have gotten at least 1:1 trade, and then their asset trail SL might have been hit. So now what we can do is mark new support and resistances and decide what to do next. So new support and resistances have been marked. So what we can do here is look for buying opportunity above this level. Only when it crosses this level you have to take trade, and below this level we have to look for shorting trade, and in half quantity, not for scalp quantities, not for scalp opportunities. Okay, the reason is because of the market structure. What we have discussed in weekly analysis was this, that there are very high chances that it might give an up move and go till here. But the problem is it's taking time. We need a pause candle because two consecutive candles have been made. For a pause candle will look like always, a pause candle will look like this. Okay, 2 to 3 candles and then a pause candle. So there are very high chances that it might make one. That's why we'll be making new support and resistance and look for only buying opportunities. You see this is a highly volatile area, but this will act as support. And now once it crosses this level, it will make an M pattern, which is a bearish pattern. And if it crosses this level, there's very high chance that it might come till here too. If it has to come here, then it will cross this first and then come here. Okay, our goldy brother. So in gold too, whatever I said, it exactly happened. You can see it took resistance from this level. At first it took support from here, but this area, whoever has taken trade here might have got their SL hit, but the SL would have been been in no profit and no loss because of this up move. It already gave up and went till our target was this, but it already went up. So you could have been trailing this trade, and 2 days ago only that this pattern will play out. Until and unless this pattern play out, we are not very confident. Okay, so it played out and now it's playing out. Okay, and you might have got a trade here, and those who have not, please wait, and those who haven't got a trade, wait and let it come here and consolidate, then you can get a trade from here to here. Okay, so for current scenario, I'll mark new support and resistances. Okay, so this is a new support and it's playing out, so we'll cancel these areas. This has been done, this has been done, and this part has been done. Only this part is remaining, so let it perform and then we'll decide what to do. In bank nifty 2 also, I told earlier also, as I predicted, that this is area where we have to look for buying opportunities. We didn't perform exactly as I told. Our trend direction was right, and see the support and resistances, how are they working. So in 5 minutes you can see exactly how they worked. This was the opening. You might have gotten trade here. This was a good trade. Another trade here was good, and then this area also acted as support and resistances. New will make new levels. So now we'll make new support and resistances for next day's trade. Support and resistances have been modified. So see, this area will still be a support area zone. Okay, so new support and resistances have been modified. So still we'll look for buying opportunities here and let it cross this. This area will be a consolidating area, or it can give breakout. We have to wait here, let it consolidate here, and then a good trade might come on the upside or on the downside. Once it comes downside, we'll be looking for a support area here. let it perform and make the market structure like this, and then only we look for buying opportunity here only, not here, until and unless it makes a W pattern. Okay, and we'll short below this level only. Once it crosses this level, then only we will short. Until and unless this level crosses, we won't be shorting. And here it's better not to short because the trend is on the upside, so we look for buying opportunities here. A market may give a trade here from here to here, but it's better not to trade because of the probabilities. And this area is a buying area. Until and unless it crosses this level, we won't have to look for any shorting opportunity. So in crude also, I told this. I told yesterday only, I told that we look for buying opportunity, but then to look for a trade until and unless it makes this type of pattern here, a buying opportunity, or it comes here below this, crosses this level, then we'll take a good trade. So now it's crossing and I have taken one trade, and our target is firstly here. And the reason is, yesterday also we discussed, this is first time, second time, and this was third time, but we were considering this also. So giving the benefit of doubt, we took this as 1, this is 2, and this as 3. Rejection turned out to be the third rejection, not this one. So we'll, our benefit of doubt also, this level, it will be acting as support and resistance. So we had tried to look for a trade here, but market didn't came down. Today it came here and crossed one small SL, hit one small SL of mine hit, and after that we have taken a trade here, and our target is this, and the major target is on the upside, 5800. So we'll get good opportunities here. I'm ready to take 2-3 trades here, and after that, once it doesn't, if it goes, then it's better, but if it doesn't goes, then I'm not looking for any shorting trade. Okay, but I'll mark support and resistances for you. This, if anyone wants to trade, but it's not better. But if you like to trade here, you can take a trade in half quantity only, but there are very less chances that it will come down here. If you like the video, please like and share. Thank you.